What if just 10 minutes a day could double your energy, improve your brain, and help you sleep like a baby? That's not hype. That's the power of biohacking, using science-backed tweaks to upgrade your mind and body. You don't need injections, implants, or thousands of dollars. You just need the right habits. Hey, welcome to Health Pulse Haven. If you're constantly battling low energy, brain fog, poor sleep, or unexplained health issues, this video might be your game changer. Biohacking is not about turning into a cyborg. It's about taking control of your biology with small, powerful changes. And today, I'm showing you 8 beginner-friendly biohacks anyone can try, no gadgets required. Hack number 1, morning sunlight reset. Start your day by stepping outside within 30 minutes of waking up. Let the natural light hit your eyes, no sunglasses. According to the National Institutes of Health, morning light resets your body's internal clock, boosts mood-regulating serotonin, and increases alertness. You only need 5 to 10 minutes, even on a cloudy day. This simple habit can regulate your sleep cycle, balance hormones, and help you feel human again. I started doing this a year ago, and within 2 weeks, I was falling asleep faster and waking up without an alarm. If you can only do one thing from this list, do this. Ditch the snooze button and step into the sun. Hack number 2, cold water finisher. Feeling brave? Try ending your morning shower with 30 seconds of cold water. It triggers norepinephrine release and activates brown fat, which helps burn calories and regulate temperature. A study in cell metabolism found cold exposure improves mood, increases metabolism, and builds stress resilience. You'll hate it at first, but then you'll crave it. Start with just 15 seconds. By week 2, your body adapts. It's like nature's espresso shot without the caffeine crash. Hack number 3, block blue light at night. Our screens are wrecking our sleep. After 7 p.m., start blocking blue light using glasses or apps like F.Lux or Night Shift. Harvard research shows that blue light suppresses melatonin, your sleep hormone. You may feel tired, but your brain stays on. Blocking blue light for just 2 hours before bed can dramatically improve your sleep quality. A $10 pair of amber glasses changed my evenings. Pair that with a cold, dark bedroom, no lights, no scrolling, and you'll sleep deeper, longer. Hack number 4, for 7-8 breathing reset. What if I told you just 60 seconds a day could cut inflammation, sharpen your mind, and lower blood pressure? You can with your breath. Try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Do 4 rounds. Johns Hopkins found that this technique reduces anxiety, slows heart rate, and improves focus. I use it before meetings, videos, or whenever my brain is overloaded. It's a reset button always available, no app needed. Hack number 5, intermittent fasting made simple. Let's talk food, but not just what you eat when. Start with a 12-12 intermittent fasting schedule. That's 12 hours of eating, 12 hours of fasting. Salk Institute research shows that time-restricted eating enhances insulin sensitivity, repairs damaged cells via autophagy, and improves sleep. You don't have to skip breakfast or count calories. Just finish dinner earlier. I shifted from 9 p.m. to 7 p.m. dinners, and my bloating, mood swings, and morning fog disappeared. Start slow. Even 1-hour changes help. Hack number 6, ground yourself daily. When was the last time you touched the earth barefoot? Grounding, or earthing, means connecting your body to soil, grass, or sand. The Journal of Environmental and Public Health suggests it reduces inflammation, lowers cortisol, and even improves heart rate variability. Why? Because the earth carries a subtle electric charge that balances your own. It sounds woo-woo, but it's real science. I do it every morning while drinking tea. Even 5 minutes a day calms the nervous system and improves mood. Hack number 7, watch your glucose, not just calories. If you want to stop energy crashes and mood swings, track your glucose. You don't need diabetes to care about blood sugar. Stable glucose means stable energy and a calm brain. Use a CGM continuous glucose monitor if you can, or just pay attention to how you feel after meals. I found my beloved smoothie was spiking my glucose. Oatmeal with bananas? Crash by 10 a.m. Eggs and avocado? I was focused till noon. Everyone's different, but glucose spikes age you faster. Steady blood sugar equals steady you. Hack number 8, eat for a better brain. Don't forget your brain. Food is fuel, but some foods are brain boosters. Walnuts, blueberries, eggs, salmon, and dark chocolate contain compounds that increase neuroplasticity and protect neurons. A 2022 meta-analysis showed that people who consumed flavonoid-rich foods had better memory scores and reduced cognitive decline. I add frozen blueberries and walnuts to my smoothie every day. Small move, big results. And here's your bonus hack. Bonus hack, sleep like it's your job. Sleep is your body's biohacking HQ. Even 30 minutes of lost sleep can impair memory, lower immunity, and mess with metabolism. Use sleep trackers to notice patterns and aim for deep sleep, not just hours in bed. Cut caffeine after 2 p.m., eat dinner earlier, and use that blue light trick we discussed. Your brain literally cleans itself at night. Don't miss the chance to detox daily. You don't need a lab. You don't need a guru. You just need curiosity, consistency, and a little sunlight. Which of these hacks will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a deeper dive into any of these topics, cold plunges, sleep tracking, or grounding, I'm planning a full video on each. Also, I'm running a 7-day grounding challenge this month. Stand barefoot on earth for 5 minutes a day and track your mood. Are you in? Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Your upgraded self starts now.